control it. We have the other two sense organs also. So what do these sense organs? Shabd, Sparsh, Roop, Ras and Gandh, that is sound, touch, sight, taste and smell. They are giving the experiences to the mind. Mind gives it to the intellect, which we also call wisdom. The buddhi tells us whether it is right or wrong. It is in the form of an algorithm, 0 or 1. It is never like in between, 0 or 1, do it or do not do it. Now it's up to the mind to control those indriyas. Even Krishna said in Bhagavad Gita, even Arjuna said in Bhagavad Gita, "O Krishna, what impels man to commit sin, even against his will, constrained as if it were forced?" After listening to all the discourses from Lord Krishna, Arjun had this question. So these sense organs, they follow all different directions. Shankaracharya in Viveka Chudamani stated or gave this example of deer, elephant, moth, fish and honeybee, how they come to their end, how they dissolve just being bound by these 5 senses. And what to speak of man who is attached to all 5 of them. He gave this example of deer. Just one sense organ. What does it lead the deer to do? How do the hunters catch the deer in the jungle? They just make that rustling sound. Deer knows that maybe there is something wrong out there, but he is so tempted by it, can't stop himself from going there, just goes there, and the net is thrown and the deer is caught. Maybe somebody eats the flesh and the skin, nice purses and maybe slippers and all are made. That's the end of it. Just one sense organ, that is sense of sound. Elephant. Elephant roams about joyfully in the jungle. How is the elephant caught? A trained female elephant is sent in the jungle. All it has to do out there is just touch that male elephant. And by that touch, the elephant loses its sanity, swayed, as if hypnotized, and follows the female elephant behind. Now this female elephant, nicely moving, comes back. She knows the moment I reach back, I will be getting a huge pile of grass. And the male elephant is caught in the net. So throughout its life after that, is a bondage to the Mahabhat. One sense organ, that is touch. Patanga, that is moth. You have seen after rain how the moths, they come near the light in spite of knowing that will die, but can't control, can't resist. Just one organ, that sense organ, vision, cannot stop. And once it reaches or goes near that light, it perishes after that. Fish, sense of taste. In the hook, a worm is put out there. The fisherman puts it. Now the fish thinks, I'll outsmart the fisherman. Its father, grandfather, maybe great-great-grandfather also died in the same way. But the fish thinks, no, I'll be able to outsmart and I'll try to remove the worm from there. what is the end result? It gets caught up into it and is eaten at the end of the day by someone. B, and the sense here is smell. That nectar of the flower, it attracts it so much that it loses its mind and tends to go there. And we all know what happens after that. Instead of the bee inhaling the nectar, it gets entrapped into that flower and is lost forever. These are just one sense organ. Imagine the plight of human beings. We have got 5 sense organs, 5 horses in different directions. How do we control them? That is all where the problem lies. God has rendered us, God has made us senses in these ways. That is what the game of life is all about. One who can control the reins will be able to achieve the dreams. Somebody, most of us feel, let's enjoy today, we'll see tomorrow. It's like eat, sleep, regret, repeat. The process goes on. That new dawn never comes. So we have to see how to develop the right kind of buddhi which can take us to make our dreams come true. So this tug of war keeps on going inside us right from a very early age till the time we are leaving this world. On the lighter note of the 5 senses, which one should we tame first? It is the tongue, because it will help us to manage 2 experiences at once. One is taste and second is tongue for talking. If we can use it for the right purpose, it will be a good beginning for any human being. So takeaway 2 is master the mind. The first takeaway was visualize your dream. Second takeaway is master the mind. Easier said than done. I'll quickly take you to the third takeaway, which is the last one here. In physics, there is a very popular principle, Bernoulli's principle. The airplane moves or takes the flight, and we are talking of giving wings to your dreams. So how is the wing of an airplane designed? It is designed in such a way, shape is that the pressure above is low and the pressure below is high, and because of this pressure difference, it is able to move up. So same way, when we are having dreams, are we maintaining the right kind of low pressure on top to take the flight? Now, what does it mean here? How do we become light? By getting rid of the offsprings of the blind mind. In Bhagavad Gita, King Dhritarashtra is the blind king. He has got 100 sons, the Kauravas. In each one of us, we have those qualities also. So how do we become light? By getting rid of these qualities like anger, fear, jealousy, ego. If I dream by thinking that I'll leave so and so behind, I have to show to so and so person, my intention is wrong. I will never be able to achieve my dream because my wings are not having the right kind of pressure that needs to be maintained out here. So takeaway 3 is carry less baggage to make your wings lighter. So dear friends, I would like to wrap it up by this slide 6 ways to turn your dreams into reality. First is dream. When you are dreaming, visualize clearly, walk through your dream. Once you have that vivid picture in front of you, you can plan, make goals. After making goals, act on them. When you are acting on your plan, you'll have to check your progress. Is it working or not? If it is not working, maybe you need some other plan. Have a plan B. Once you achieve your dream, live the dream and don't forget to express your gratitude. Rumi said, you are not meant for crawling, so don't. You have wings, learn to use them and fly. Thank you so much.